Emergency exit. This sign marks the fastest route out of a building during a crisis. It usually shows a green background with a white running figure and an arrow. You'll find it in airports, malls, hospitals, schools, and office towers. The arrow direction changes based on where the actual exit path leads. Ignoring this sign during a fire or evacuation can cost critical seconds. Some versions glow in the dark for power outage visibility. Always know the nearest exit sign location before an emergency happens. Hospital direction. It guides drivers and pedestrians toward the nearest medical facility. It typically uses a white H on a blue background, sometimes with directional arrows. You'll see these on highways, city streets, and inside large complexes like airports. The blue color follows international standards for medical and health-related signage. In emergencies, seconds matter, so these signs are placed at every key decision point. Some countries add a red cross instead of the H for added clarity. Following this sign without hesitation can be the difference in a true medical emergency. Emergency phone. This sign marks the location of a phone reserved strictly for emergencies. It shows a white telephone receiver icon on a blue or orange square. These phones are common on highways, tunnels, bridges, and remote parking structures. Most connect directly to a dispatch center or roadside assistance without needing to dial. They exist specifically for situations where a cell signal may be weak or unavailable. The sign is placed at eye level, so it's visible even in low light or fog. Knowing where these phones are located can save time when every second counts. Fire equipment. This sign points to the nearest fire extinguisher, hose reel, or fire alarm station. It uses a red background with a white pictogram showing the specific equipment type. You'll find these signs in hallways, stairwells, kitchens, and industrial workspaces. Red is used globally because it's the fastest color for the eye to detect. Different icons represent different tools, so the shape tells you exactly what's nearby. Building codes require these signs to remain unobstructed and clearly lit at all times. Recognizing this sign quickly can help stop a small fire before it spreads. First aid. This sign marks a location stocked with medical supplies for minor injuries or emergencies. It shows a white cross on a green square, a globally recognized medical symbol. You'll see it in workplaces, schools, public transport hubs, and event venues. Green is chosen because it signals safety rather than danger, unlike red warning signs. The kits behind this sign typically include bandages, antiseptics, and basic emergency tools. Some larger signs include an arrow pointing toward the nearest first aid station. Spotting this sign quickly can help you respond before professional help arrives. Ambulance access. This sign marks a route or zone reserved exclusively for ambulance vehicles. It often uses a red or blue background with a white ambulance icon and arrow. You'll find it near hospital entrances, emergency bays, and restricted access roads. These zones must stay clear at all times, even during heavy traffic or parking shortages. Blocking this path can directly delay life-saving care for someone in critical condition. The sign works together with road markings like yellow zigzag lines or red curbs. Respecting this sign keeps emergency response times fast and potentially saves lives. Emergency assembly point. This sign marks the designated safe zone where people gather after an evacuation. It uses a green background with a white pictogram showing people grouped together. You'll find it outside offices, schools, factories, and large public buildings. The location is chosen to be far enough from the building for safety. Staff or wardens use this point to head count and confirm everyone got out safely. Some signs include a number or code corresponding to a specific building or floor. Knowing this location ahead of time prevents confusion and panic during real emergencies. SOS Assistance. This sign marks a station where someone can call for immediate emergency help. It shows the letters SOS in bold white text on a red or orange background. You'll find it in parking garages, hiking trails, elevators, and remote transit areas. Pressing the button usually connects directly to security or emergency responders nearby. These stations are designed for situations involving danger, injury, or personal safety threats. Many include a speaker and microphone for two-way communication without needing a phone. This sign exists as a last line of defense when no other help is nearby.